Hello again, thanks for joining in. I'm Antro Cloud and Adnan here, and once again with another video. And I've been asked many times, again, as I said before, people reaching out to find some free resources, free stuff. How do we get started in IT or cybersecurity? There are many ways, and one of them, I was just doing some Google and find out, and that's something I find out myself just now, and I will do the review while I'm recording it. So there will be some pause because this is the first time and live, and I'm going to upload this video as is. So this is something I came online and it says free online cybersecurity courses. So what I'm going to do with that, go through it with you while we are online. So you open a browser, do it, and see in next few minutes what we can cover. And if need be in the future, let me know in the comments, then I'll be able to do more and more videos on that to guide you basically. So there are courses available online, top programs. I'm not sure if they are all free, but what it says, free online cybersecurity mocks or courses. So this is from one of the university. You have to go to the website. They have online classes, free cyber flexible courses. They have a bachelor's course online. I'm not sure they're all free, but that's surprising if they do have. This is going to be awesome. And how does a mock works? Because they have the format for the mock. What course do I pick, for example? So introduction to cybersecurity, this is a must-have if somebody wanted to start. But again, when you're doing these courses, you got to learn some tools, and I'm putting some more videos, and depending on what time I'm going to put this video, there are maybe some video which has some tools. So you have to have hands-on is a must. So when you're learning these, you gotta have some hands-on tool. Join this course for free, and it says essential. So why not? It's all free. I would say just go enroll it and start learning from today. Don't wait, because that's the beauty. The more you study, the more you will start learning and getting the idea what these things are. Don't wait for the perfect things to happen. Just spend few hours, maybe a week or two. These days, if you don't have a job, you're a college student, depending, or even if you have a job, then on the weekend you spend some time. It's all free resources. 8 weeks weekly study, 3 hours, nothing, 100% online. Exam benefits, if you pay them $89, which is not much money, they may have some certificate and you can show, which I don't know, but again, that looks pretty good to me. I mean, if this is the case, they have what you will cover. Threat landscape means what kind of threats exist, so they will walk you through. And authentication, access control, which is two-factor authentication, which is very normal. I have already put some videos on that on Azure and Office 365. How can you implement those? So exactly the same thing here. They are going to show you in there. And then if you are able to configure, even if not, but again, you will have some baseline to start with. This is definitely recommended. Malwarebytes, definitely you need to run those. Malwarebytes is one of the Malwarebytes tools you can use, but again, you need to understand the malware. Networking is the key component. You have to more and more focus on networking and operating system in each and every video. I'm saying that just do that, because these are the fundamental regardless throughout your career in IT, cloud computing, whatever you do. So make sure you understand the fundamentals, you understand the OSI layer, you understand the protocols and everything. And this is cryptography and all that. You have more or less, I may spend some less time because more theory, but when it comes to hands-on, there's a less of a thing. They're designed by an online system, and you have SSL certificates and all that. So basically there is a different, but again, that's something you cannot ignore. You need to know. And the firewall, VPNs, basically this is very important. How VPN works, what are the firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention, what are those, how do they work? So that's another must-have for you to know. And what happens when your defense fail? I think it's a case study. Okay, what happens if there's some breach? You need to know the laws and regulation, right? And how would you manage the risk? Because cybersecurity or information security is totally based on the risk, right? So if I have a two website, one does the normal business and another website takes credit card payment, so that's the risk is high because there's a money motivation. Somebody can hack and steal customer data and credit card. So that's a high risk websites. We have to put more controls and the company will spend more money. That's why you evaluate as a high risk versus a normal website which is not doing any credit card transaction. It's a low risk. So that's another concept you need to understand. And this is what they have some more information. So what I would recommend you go through it, take some courses. Is all free, right? So you cannot go wrong with that. And then from there, let me know in the comments and suggestion if you have any specific question you wanted to talk or you wanted to discuss. You may have any question. Online bachelor's of science in cybersecurity, I don't know how many months, but they're telling you, okay, if you do that, 98,000 salary, which is, yeah, no doubt about it. But being a fresh grad, I don't know. So that's what I'm saying, make sure there is some hands-on training involved, and those are the information. But again, if this course is free from this university, don't wait, just get enrolled and start learning. Because what you can do, take these courses online and learn some of the tools on the side and invest on that. So these are the things I would recommend. Go through this 100% online classes, and then again, I'm not sure if it's a free here or not. So yeah, that's something you have to do it. But here, as I said, I've shown you already one resource which is absolutely free. So for you, you know the path. I told you all these things. Now it's up to you. If you're really serious, you need to get started. This course is designed by knowledgeable computer person, blah blah blah. What you will learn, who developed this course, they have all these things, and who designed for, I would recommend. Go check it out and let me know. I'll see you in my next video. And do not forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video so more people can learn, and I get more and more motivated if you provide me with your feedback. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.